Hi, I'm Dr. Sanjeev Parmar. I'm a physician based in Kisumu. At Kanika International Limited, we provide outpatient and inpatient care. Um, it's quite common to see in the news that the person has collapsed and caused this cardiac arrest. Now today we'll just differentiate between the cardiac arrest and the heart attack. Now, cardiac arrest is not a diagnosis. It's not the cause. So we have to remember that they are not the cause and it's not a diagnosis. So when we put the patient died of cardiac arrest, it's actually inappropriate. So we have to know that what is the cause of the cardiac arrest. Now, cardiac arrest is an end event of of a disease where the heart stops. Now, the reason why the heart stops, that is what needs to be explained and mentioned in the news. So, today, at least you will get to know that cardiac arrest is an end event of a whole process. Something was happening, blood pressure was falling, high fever, meningitis, the heart could not cope, and end result is that the heart stopped. Now, that is called cardiac arrest. It can happen while you are talking, it can happen while you are walking, it can happen while in the hospital. So that is the cardiac arrest. Now we might have heard that there are news that the person was dancing on a music concert and suddenly he collapses. A person who was attending a meeting felt uncomfortable and could not talk, cardiac arrest. And we had our own politicians who were on the TV, and while talking to us, we saw what happened to them a few years ago. That is called cardiac arrest. Now, coming to heart attack. Heart attack is something called insufficiency of the blood vessels, which they cannot provide enough blood to the heart muscles. And the heart muscle becomes weak and the heart cannot pump blood. And that is called heart attack. And in medical terms, we say myocardial infarction. Now, again, in the media, we might be hearing that the patient passed away because of heart attack. Suddenly, it happens quite suddenly, few minutes, and sometimes it takes time, but most often it is sudden and stoppage of the heart. Now, that condition of heart attack ends at cardiac arrest. But the cause of the disease or the cause why the patient passed away is myocardial infarction or heart attack. Now, we should not confuse again for the heart attack with stroke. So it's not a stroke of the heart. So quite often people say it is a stroke of the heart. No, stroke of the heart is not there. It's not a right word. Thank you, my audience who have been listening to me. We are happy to share our knowledge and the experience with you. You can share with Ponea for the further advice and guidance, and we are always available for you. You can book us through Ponea and you can contact us, and we are always there to help you out. Thank you.